Hello, beautiful. Today, I'm participating in the Look for Less challenge from the Latina next door, Miss Yami, and I'm recreating a beautiful lamp from Anthropologie. My name is Zakia, and each week I share decor, DIYs, and tips for living your most beautiful life. This week, the inspiration for my thrift flip is the Avignon lamp base from Anthropologie. As you can see, this lamp base is pretty pricey at $528, and that doesn't even include the shade. So we definitely have to do better than that and recreate the look for less. I'm starting with a glass lamp that I thrifted for only $9.99. Even though this lamp is not the exact same shape as our inspiration lamp, it is very similar. After I washed the lamp with soap and water and wiped it down with acetone nail polish remover, I painted it with black chalk paint. Since we're painting on glass, it is really important that you let this first layer dry completely before you start on your second layer. When the chalk paint is dry, it should have a very matte appearance. After your second layer of chalk paint has dried, you can start to pencil in your design. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect and it doesn't have to be an exact duplicate of your inspiration. So just take your time and try to enjoy the process, flaws and all. And if you're recreating this particular lamp, give yourself plenty of time to work on it. If I had this to do again, I would actually do this over the course of a week. So I worked on this design in sections, and once I was done drawing a section in pencil, I went ahead and painted it with an ivory acrylic paint. If you're still here with me, I'd like to ask that you please consider liking the video, sharing the video, and subscribing to become a part of our community. It really helps me out with the algorithm and lets me share with more people and helps to grow our community. And that's what it's all about, is spreading positivity and beauty to as many people as possible. And we love to chat down in the comment section, so come on and become part of the family. After all of the ivory areas were painted, I went in with a pink paint and filled in the center of the flowers and the other areas that were pink. And I repeated this process until I was done. Then I went in with a black Sharpie and just cleaned up some of my edges just so that they were more crisp and more clear. And I used a lampshade that I already had on hand. I was really excited to see how the lamp would turn out. And as I told you earlier, this took a really long time. So we're gonna pretend that the other side of the lamp is completed. Let me know how you think our Look for Less piece compares with the inspiration piece. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.